I'm going to start today's video by saying you need to let your imagination run wild. The world is yours to create. And the reason why I'm saying this, it's because I have been really thinking of how we could use technology as a tool to make a lot of our indigenous architecture come to life. And one of the things that I was thinking that has been at the very forefront right now is AI, artificial intelligence. And a good example of what I did is that I took one of the pictures that I saw of Agadez Center in Niger. They have this beautiful mud architecture. And so I took a picture of that and I used different AI tools to try and imagine what a sketch of a site like that would look like. Also, what would the construction of a project like that look like from beginning to the end? And also, if we were to do like an actual drawn out plan that we could use to replicate to build a different Agadez center like that in a different area, what would it look like? So these are some of the results that I came up with, and they truly blew my mind, because I thought to myself, oh my God, I think that technology could be one of the tools that we use to try and bring our ideas of indigenous architecture to life. So I know some of us are very traditional. We're thinking, oh, I want to build this indigenous home, but I have to get an architect and all this and all that. But I think you can start small. Let your imagination start just run wild, completely wild. And so take those ideas. If you saw a mud house somewhere, if you saw an African pattern somewhere, it could be like a pattern of even your own indigenous cloth that means so much to you. Take that and think of, how can I replicate this in an actual indigenous home, and try and put those ideas together and use something as simple as AI to try and bring those ideas to life. Because once you start to see those ideas come to life, then you start to see the big picture. And even when it comes down to the phase where you're talking to an actual architect, then you can be able to say, oh, this is the type of vision that I have in mind. So now you can start to visualize literally some of those ideas, and I think that is a game changer. Let me know about this creation. I'm thinking of making this a series and creating more videos like this. So let me know what you think about an idea like this. Until next time, cheers.